Alright, on this one we've got a 50-gallon A.O. Smith power vent natural gas water heater that is showing an error code for flame sense. Basically, it's not sensing the flame, so it kicks on and kicks right back off when it doesn't sense that flame. So we're going to remove the burner assembly from the unit and clean the flame sensor, and then we'll put it all back together and fire it up and see if that took care of it. Most water heaters have some sort of a stand either on the bottom of the burner assembly or made into the bottom of the water heater that supports the burner assembly. And all I'm using here, now that I've got it out, is some light sandpaper, just lightly cleaning the flame sensor. It's the metal probe next to the pilot assembly. And we just want to clean the debris off of it just a little bit. It won't look very bad, but every little bit that's on there acts as an insulator against that flame. So when that flame is running, it's insulating it from the sensor, not allowing the sensor to read the heat accurately. And the water heater only knows one thing to do when it doesn't sense that flame, or doesn't sense X amount of flame, is shut off. Alright, another happy customer. We just need to put the water softener tank back in here. Someone installed the water heater facing the center of the room, which is kind of crazy. But we got it all back in there. Everything's working fine. On to the next one. I'm out.